So the stem is open. Maybe. So one of the main things about the slalom that everybody jumped on is the handlebar card said that the wheels were tubeless compatible. And when you look inside the rim, if my phone will focus. So as you can see, I use the Bucklows rim tape. Picked it up on Walmart. I used it initially on a gravel bike that I was having issues with, and it worked out better than the Stans tape, and better than the DT Swiss tape that I was using. So that's what I've decided to go with. I'm using the 25 millimeter, so it gives really nice coverage of the wheel. And then I use the Muc-off Big bore valve stems. They are an amazing valve stem. Once I get this one put in and I go to put the sealant in, you'll see why it's such a great valve stem. So we'll go ahead and get the tire mounted and throw some sealant in this. Okay, so yesterday, after my incident, I didn't get a chance to explain the benefit of the Muc-off valve stem. So the biggest benefit is it goes through a wheel that's drilled for press valve, but when you're done, it actually takes a Schrader valve. So you can use any pump at a gas station after a flat, and you'll be able to fill up your tire. You don't have to worry about carrying adapters or anything like that. Also, when you're done, if you're riding and you realize your pressure is a little bit high, it's super easy to get the pressure out. All you do is just turn the valve and the air drains out. So now that the tire is flat, I can go ahead and really put the sealant in that I want. Again, using the slime tubeless sealant that Walmart sells. I'm running in the back tire, haven't had any issues with it, so we'll see how it works out. So this particular Pirelli tire is a 29 by 2.4. Like I was saying yesterday, the Slime website shows that it should be 4 to 6 ounces for a 2.4. I tried that initially on the back tire and it didn't hold, so I just do the whole bottle now. So I know for a fact that the valve is open. I'm not going to fill it up as full. And let's see if I can not make a mess today. So here you can see that the Muc-off, the Muc-off valve stem works really well for taking the sealant. Okay, you just push it in and it goes straight in. No muss, no fuss. All right, that is 8 ounces of sealant inside this tire. So there was a little residual air, but that's okay. It's not the explosion that we had last night. So we'll see how this goes.